Okay, so this is Solar System Scope. I really like this website. It's really cool. And there is a paid version that you can pay for about $10. But there's also just the online version that is just as good, and I'm just going to show you that I know how to use it. And this would be how there's a lot of stuff. There's the constellations, and there's stuff that third graders really don't need to worry about right now. So you go and you click on the little gear, and then you click the comet, dwarf planets, constellation, which is going to get rid of all of that. You can also get rid of that if you need to or want to. I like the asteroid belt. It's just fun, so I'm going to just keep that there. But then you just go through and you click on the Earth or the star, and then you can zoom out and in right here. And so you can see all of the planets. So we're going to click and explore the sun a little bit. There's an encyclopedia that has all of the just different things about the sun, the structure, which I think is really neat and would be fun to focus on the Earth, that structure of the Earth, for the students to be able to see that. And I think it's just a really cool program. And then, that button can take you to the other planets if you don't want to keep going back and forth in and out of it. And so let's go to Neptune. And then you see the planet system. You can change it to a different date if you're like, let's see where this will be later. Oops. It also has really fun sound effects, but you can't hear those on here. And you can also see the whole solar system, its rotation and its movement. So that would be good to show the students how the different planets revolve around the sun, how the sun is the center of the solar system. It can make you go faster, and I just think that's really fun. And I think the students, the third graders, would have a lot of fun just doing stuff with that. And that is basically just a little intro of this website that I think is really fun. Again, there is a paid version, and sometimes the online version runs a little slow, so if you're going to use this and are afraid of having technical problems in the classroom, you can go ahead and buy it and then have maybe groups of students come up to the computer and play with it if it's not going to work on the online version, or if your students they're just not laptops in the classroom or other computers in the classroom. And yeah, that's this website.